A recipe that brings back so many memories for me. Inununang isda, and this is how you make it. Today we are cooking a very classic vinegar stew of fish. Ang lulutuin natin, tinatawag na inununan sa Bisaya, better known as paksiw na isda. And we are using our pampano. Season our pampano with salt inside, inside the cavity and around it. And ito, to make it even more delicious, I have here slices of pork fat. Sizzling, Lalagyan natin yung ating pork fat, which will enrich the vinegar sauce and also, in a way, emulsify to thicken it and to give it body. So yan siya, ininit ko na siya para magmantika siya. And I will just arrange this fish over the pork fat. Ganyan siya. And I will add my other ingredients. I have here my suka, a little bit of patis for flavor, and our garlic. Gusto ko maraming garlic dito. Ang garlic natin is just smashed. Ganun lang, Ito, may konting tubig tayo. Water. A little bit more water. Yan. Then, luya. Some people add onions. Some people don't add onions. Today, we will not be adding onions. Kahit may onions dyan. Add that there. And ating siling pangsigang. Cut it. Break it into two. We will just let that braise. We will add a bit more water. When I was younger, ayaw ko talaga itong ulam na to. Hindi ko maintindihan. But ayaw ko siya. It seems so simple and ordinary. Pero ngayong nagkaedad-edad na tayo, nagkikrave na tayo ng ganitong klaseng mga ulam. And this reminds me of my lola. She would cook it a lot. And lalagyan natin ng pamintang buo. And to give it the linamnam it needs para mas masarap yung ating paksiw o inununan, we will add Maggi magic syrup for that perfect balance of umami. A bit of magic. Sabaw pa lang, ang sarap sa kanin. And I will cover this up to let that cook. And in the meantime, I will prepare my vegetables. Kalahati lang, kalahating talong at kalahating ampalaya. I will use that here. And this recipe is also part of the Pinasimple cookbook. Grab a copy, mga lutong bahay, family favorites, just for all of you. Look, that's so beautiful. There's a link below if you want to order. Yan. Pinasimple. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to the Simple.ph YouTube channel, it's about time that you subscribe. Maluluto na yung ating fish. Yan. And now, I will add my vegetables. Ang ating ampalaya, hindi na natin kailangan pigaan at asinan because the vinegar and the saltiness will kind of neutralize the bitterness. Yan, add that. Let that simmer. Eto, malapit ng maluto. And to finish, eto yung mga gawa nung unang panahon. Yung panahon ng lola ko. Eto siya, kung may mantika kayo ng baboy, you will finish this with a little pork lard. Ito, pinagprituhan lang to ng baboy. So there's that aroma of pork that emulsifies the sauce. At maging sobrang linamnam nito. Yan. Ating inununan. At ginagawa nito ng lola ko, niluluto sa palayok at sinasapinan ng dahon ng saging. Imagine that. Napakasarap. At eto na, ating inununan. Ano ba ang tawag nyo sa recipe na ito sa inyong probinsya? Marami kasing mga terms na of this nature, pero iba-iba lang yung atake. May iba dito gumagamit ng may tomatoes, at iba may pangpaasim kamyas. Eto siya, very straightforward. Pero minsan, naalala ko ganito. Diba? Binabalot pa yung isda sa dahon ng saging. No? But this is so delicious. And let us do this now. Ang ating inununan. No? With all our veggies arranged all over. Then may bits of pork. Then ang gusto ko dito, nakikita mo yung aking garlic. Buo siya, pero it's just like smashed. Masarap yan pag kinain mo. Isa-smash mo with your rice. Yung garlic. And our sauce. With extra sauce pa to. So, eto na yung ating inununan. Up to today, I eat a lot of this recipe dahil gustong-gusto ko to. At ang paborito kong part ng isda, yung tiyan. Look at that, oh. Very fatty. And it works perfectly well with the sharp and medyo salty na sauce. Yan, no? Yung tiyan ng ating pampano with the sauce. Lalagyan natin ng ampalaya. My favorite is ampalaya. Pero kailangan ko ng rice. How about you? Tignan ko, ah. Sarap. Sarap niya. It's so perfect. Ang sarap. Yung sharpness ng vinegar, na-tone down na sa luto. At with that little bit of fat, really rounds everything so well. And this is our recipe for today. Very Visayan, but very familiar to all of us. Paksiw na isda or inununan. Simple! It's finally here, my newest book, Pinas Simple. This book is so special to me because it celebrates my 10 years as an author. Beyond recipes, this book tells stories of Filipinos through our cuisine. This book, Pinas Simple, The Love and Lore of Filipino Cooking, is an anthology of essays and dishes that bring our culture one bite at a time. Grab your copies now.
Simple.ph. Living made simple.